Have you ever wished you could just grow back a tooth you lost? It sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, right? Well, get ready, because that sci-fi dream is becoming a reality, and it's happening sooner than you think. A team of brilliant scientists in Japan is on the verge of a medical breakthrough that could completely change dentistry as we know it. A drug that can literally regrow human teeth. Imagine a world where cavities, injuries, or even genetic conditions that prevent tooth growth are no longer a permanent problem. No more bridges, no more dentures, and maybe, just maybe, no more dental implants. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's the result of decades of dedicated research, and the first human trials are officially underway. So, how does this miracle drug work? It all comes down to a single protein called USAG1, which stands for Uterine Sensitization Associated Gene 1. Now that name might be a mouthful, but its function is surprisingly simple. Think of USAG-1 as a brake for tooth growth. In our bodies, we all have the genetic blueprints to grow teeth, but this protein steps in and says, all right, that's enough, stopping the process. It's a natural inhibitor. The lead researcher, Dr. Katsu Takahashi, and his team at Kyoto University have been studying this gene for years. They realized that if they could somehow block or turn off this USAG1 protein, the body's natural tooth growing potential might just kick back into gear. It's like releasing the emergency brake on a car that's ready to roll. Their theory was first put to the test on mice and ferrets. Ferrets are particularly interesting subjects because their dental structure is quite similar to ours. The scientists developed an antibody drug that specifically targets and neutralizes the USAG1 protein. They administered this drug to ferrets that were missing teeth, and the results were nothing short of astonishing. The ferrets grew new, fully functional teeth that were indistinguishable from their original ones. The experiment was a massive success, and it paved the way for the next giant leap, human trials. This brings us to today, the clinical trials, which began in September 2024 at Kyoto University Hospital, are now in Phase I. This initial phase is focused on safety. 30 healthy adult men who are missing at least one molar are participating. The goal is to confirm that the drug is safe for human use and does not cause any unforeseen side effects. The drug is administered intravenously to ensure it's distributed effectively throughout the body. Assuming everything goes well, Phase 2 is scheduled to begin in 2025. This is where things get really exciting. The team will start testing the drug on patients with congenital anodontia, a rare genetic condition where people are born missing some or all of their teeth. These are patients who have never had a full set of teeth, and for whom this treatment could be truly life-changing. They LLB looking for efficacy. Does the drug actually trigger new tooth growth in humans as it did in the ferrets? Following that, they plan to expand the trials to include people who have lost teeth due to more common reasons like severe cavities or injuries. If these stages are successful, we could see this revolutionary treatment become available to the public as early as 2030. That's just a few years away. Think about the implications. This isn't just about cosmetic improvement. For many people, missing teeth can affect their ability to eat properly, speak clearly, and can have a significant impact on their self-confidence and overall quality of life. Current solutions like dentures and implants are effective, but they have their own set of challenges. Dentures can be uncomfortable, and implants require invasive surgery and can be incredibly expensive. This new drug offers a third, more natural option, regenerating your own living tooth. Dr. Takahashi himself has spoken about how his experiences as a graduate student, seeing children with severe tooth growth problems, fueled his passion for this research. He dreams of a day when growing a new tooth is a standard treatment option, right alongside filling a cavity. It's a future where we're not just repairing or replacing, but truly regenerating. Of course, the journey from a clinical trial to a widely available treatment is a long one, and there are many hurdles to clear. But the science is sound, the initial results are incredibly promising, and the team behind it is world-class. This research represents a monumental shift in our approach to dental health. It moves us away from a model of mechanical repair and towards a future of biological regeneration. We are witnessing the dawn of a new era in medicine. The ability to regrow an entire organ because, yes, a tooth is a complex organism, a game changer. It opens up possibilities we could only dream of a decade ago, while we wait for the final results. It's a powerful reminder of how quickly science is advancing and the incredible potential it holds to improve human lives. So keep an eye on this story. The next time you visit the dentist, the conversation might be very, very different. Thanks for watching. If you found this as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest breakthroughs in science and technology. See you in the next one.